Hello everyone, how you doing? It's United RC Bros here. I'm Ugly McFatass and this is Slippery Nip Pinky over here, and we're at a skate park ready to jump our Arrmas.
And break them. Right, let's go.
Oh, not to.
No, we will.
That was a shell landing. That was a good wheelie. And then an endo crash, flip, bang, ticking time bomb explosion. What the flipping heck are you doing? That flipping sounded horrible. But your clip done?
No, that was gone for ages.
Was it?
That's been gone for ages.
I wouldn't know, I haven't seen your car for a while.
I think that's broken.
What?
Is it just me or is that wheel pointing out a bit? No,
Well, just how they are.
look at it, it survived! That's a good
It sounded horrible! And you left a blue mark. And you failed.
Oh, my eyes full of mud, man!
Holy shit! That was that hit on the post, wasn't it? Still though, that held up well. Because that wasn't no easy hit.
Ah! Double! Go! One.
Yeah, kind of poo bag and a crew cab to a Nero.
Put on the back.
Go on then, put it on the back, it fits on there.
Put it like this. And the other way.
No, because it's going to rub.
Okay. Right, you ready?
Go on then. It's pulling it. Obviously I can't steer. But it pulls. Can actually pull it.
He's hot, they're kicking me in the head! Oh!
That was a drift.
3, 2, 1.
You really need tyres. Can't do jack with his car. Oh! Oh, you busted the tower! What a jump! That was better. Was that free? Works a lot better when you don't drift it. Almost could have landed in the bin. Oh, you split it.
Hello there guys, so today we're going to be testing out some RPM arms on a Arrma Big Rock.
Flat going left. What is this thing? Look at it go. Butt naked. What are you doing? You like let off and then you go again and it flips. Or is that your rear again? You've broken your rear shock tower again. Ah, stones. You snapped it.
I think these RPM arms are quite a bit of an upgrade.
Where's the red piece?
Exactly.
How have you snapped it? And the plastic's fine.
The RPM arms, they're perfect. Ain't nothing wrong with them.
No, they're solid as a rock. Popped out your shaft.
Wait. Damn! What are you doing?
I'm driving straight, I don't know what you're doing.